Stop everything you are doing. If you are still trying to make money with drop shipping, low-ticket affiliate marketing, or complex crypto schemes, you are living in the past. It's 2026 and the game has changed forever. The old models are dead. They're too slow, too expensive, and frankly, they're designed to keep you on a hamster wheel. But what if I told you there's a shortcut, a digital middleman model so powerful, it's generating $20,000 a month for ordinary people, starting from scratch? This isn't just an offer. It's the only offer on planet Earth that matters right now. Welcome to the Profit Hub system. Think about the biggest companies in the world. Uber owns no cars. Airbnb owns no hotels. They are middlemen. They connect people who have a problem with people who have a solution. That is exactly what a Profit Hub does. You aren't building a website, you're building an asset. You are connecting high-value businesses with the essential services they are already desperate for. SEO, lead gen, consulting, but you don't do any of the work. You are the bridge. You capture the lead, the experts fulfill the service, and you keep the massive price difference. It's pure zero fulfillment arbitrage. It's the ultimate leverage. Let's talk real numbers. Most people are out there trying to sell $10 products to 1,000 people. Do you know how hard that is? It's exhausting. The Profit Hub system uses the math of 10. We focus on high ticket value. It is 10 times easier to find 10 people to pay $1,000 for a service they already need than it is to find 1,000 people to buy a gadget they don't. One hub generating just $2,000 a month is equivalent to owning a $400,000 rental property. But here's the kicker. You don't need a mortgage, you don't have tenants, and you don't have taxes. You just have pure automated profit. Why is this the best offer in 2026? Because we've automated the entire process. Our proprietary lead extraction tools find the warmest prospects for you. People who are already spending money but getting zero results. We give you the done-for-you ecosystem, pre-built hubs, high-converting sales copy, and automated follow-ups that close the deal while you sleep. And the traffic? We've unlocked a free traffic loophole that drives targeted visitors to your hub without you ever touching an ad budget. This is the ultimate plug-and-play wealth system. The window of opportunity for the Founders Membership is closing. This is your chance to secure your financial future and join a community of elite founders who are already winning. Don't look back in 6 months and wish you had started today. This is the moment. This is the Profit Hub system. Click the link, claim your hub, and let's build your $20,000 monthly legacy right now. Your new life is one click away.